Good morning, students. In today's NTSC class period, we will study the three-dimensional objects cube and cuboid. If we know this thing very well, that a cube is formed by a square and a cuboid is formed by rectangle. These are three-dimensional objects. Therefore, cube and cuboids have corners, faces. For example, if we see carefully on the side of a cube has 8 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are 8 corners like P, Q, R, S, then X, U, V, W. These are the corners which we know very well. It has 4 diagonals. And if we see in the diagram, this will be from P to W, thereafter X to R, then we have S to U, and similarly we have one more. These are 4 diagonals. Then numbers 3, it has 6 faces. If we see carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces it has. This one. Similarly, this side, similarly, this side, similarly, this side, then from one side and another from back side. It has 6 faces. Then it has 12 edges, means 12 sides. Similarly, we can calculate here QR, PS, then PQ, SR, XU, then WV, XW, UV, XU and WV. These are the 12 edges. These are the 12 sides. We may also say sides, edges. These are the parts of a cube. Similarly, we have volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Volume V, that is equal to side whole cube, that is also equal to edge whole cube. There is no difference between them. And then we come to our cuboid side. Now, difference between cube and cuboid is simple. In cube, all the sides are equal, whereas in cuboid, none of the side is equal. It has different dimensions. It has length that is not equal to breadth, and that is not equal to its height. That is the thing we should remember. All different. If we see in this diagram, length, breadth and height, these are different. This is our length, this is our breadth, and this is our length, breadth and height. We have different things. This is our breadth and that is our height. So length, breadth and height, these are different in case of cuboid. Other things, it have 8 corners as usual, no problem. Then it has 12 edges, no difference as it is. And thereafter, if we see carefully, we have 6 faces as it is, and then 4 diagonals as usual in cube, and its volume will be equal to simple length multiply with that, multiply with height, and it is always in cubic centimeter, meter cube, etc. Whatever be its a unit of measurement. So these are the basic properties which we have studied in our 6th, 7th and 8th classes. Till it has the same thing. Similarly, we have its surface area, then it has total surface area. Surface area of a cube is our 6 side square, that is total one, and lateral surface area is 4 side square, that is also we know, and so is the case with cuboid. Surface area is equal to 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Similarly, we have area of the 4 walls of a room is 2H into L plus B. So these are the two main concepts in three-dimensional objects, which are cube and cuboid, which are framed from or developed from the concept of square as well as from the rectangle. Now we will do the second part of it, that is when some parts of cube are used, that is when we cut a cube into smaller cubes or a cuboid is cut into smaller cuboids. These are the new things which we have to study, and we will start this concept now.